Okay, we are back. Not in RPG Maker today, as we usually are. We're in League of Legends. Now, there's a couple reasons I'm doing this. One, I like League of Legends. I think it's fun. Two, I want to try out making a thumbnail, and this is sort of going to be my tester video. I'll try and make a thumbnail for this. So if this comes up and it doesn't have a thumbnail, you know I failed. I'll probably upload it either way if I don't figure out how to make a good thumbnail. Or you'll just see it with a shitty thumbnail, and that's fine too. But instead of just playing a random game of League, I'm going to be doing... It's not like a challenge, it's just a weird build, okay? I'm going to play Corki, flying ace machine. And I'm gonna build as much move speed as I possibly can with Corki. My goal is, I kind of want Corki to be moving like Quinn does with her bird. So I've got a special rune set I've crafted up for this. You might notice I'm queuing top and bottom. I'm queuing top first. I like playing Corki in top lane. It's kind of goofy. It's kind of silly. I just think, either of the long lanes are going to be fine because I just want to be moving. And we're going to see how it goes. So I'll get back to you once we are in a match. Okay, we are in. I did get bot lane, so, the people won't flame me for... Ooh, do I want to take Ghost so I can gain more move speed? Taking Ghost instead of Flash, so people won't flame me for going an off-meta pick. My usual ban for bot lane is Twitch, because I'm scared. But yeah, I don't think it really matters. I'm gonna show you the rune set I have picked out. We're gonna craft it. So we have to go sorcery as our primary. Phase Rush is going to be the keystone, and that'll mean if I hit an enemy with a couple of attacks and abilities, I get a burst of move speed and slow resist. We're going to get Nimbus Cloak, which means after casting a summoner spell, I get more move speed, and I'm ghosted. Celerity increases all of my move speed, and then Water Walking increases move speed. Wouldn't you believe it? We're going to go Magical Footwear, because that means the shoes I get, the boots, are even stronger in terms of speed. Then I'm going to go Approach Velocity, so I get bonus move speed towards movement impaired enemies. Okay, now I'm going to keep the attack speed one. This I'm moving over to move speed, and this I'm going to go to tenacity because, not being slow is kind of the same as being fast, right? Trust. You gotta trust. Oh. Did I not save it? Oh my god. Okay. It's okay, everything's gonna be okay. Save the changes. Lock it in. Alright, I'll get back to you when we're in. Okay, here we go. We are in the game. Let's see. For a starting item, I'm going to go Doran's Blade. No move speed there, but, I kind of want to win. Grab a potion. This is going to be pretty much uncut. And you're going to notice something pretty quickly is that I'm pretty god-awful at this game. We're going up against someone. Zoe Morgana. Which I don't love the sound of. We're just going to try our best. We're going to go fast. We're going to see how fast we can get. For my first item, I want to build. Let's see, movement. Marksman movement items. There's some good ones, but I want to get as fast as possible. And I think the first thing I'm going to do to get it is grab Phantom Dancer, because that's going to give me 10% move speed, and I'm ghosted forever. And it's a marksman item. It's at least somewhat decent on Corki. There's some that we're going to build, like, I think we're going to have to get Dead Man's Plate, which might not be the best, especially because they have no AD on their team. Maybe we'll look into that again. Yeah. So I'm not very good at CSing. My peak rank is Iron 1. Corki is my third most played champ, and I would describe myself as quite bad. I just get fucked up instantly. This is so... That's awful. Okay. We're gonna be fine. I kind of do a lot of damage early game. I kind of do a lot of damage the whole game on Corki, which, you know what? I like it. See, this is what I'm talking about with I'm not that good. A good player might have seen that coming and done something about it. Not me, though. I'm built different. I'm built stronger. Ugh. I think it's time to sip my sauce. Okay. Oh! I'm not really sure about Zoe's kit other than she puts me to sleep and I don't like it. I'm going home instantly. I do not fuck with being 1 HP. I'm gonna grab my dagger, TP back in, and pretend it didn't happen. My brand is sleeping, rooted. Wait a second. Wait a second. Trust. Okay, well, I trusted a little too hard. Maybe if I had my W ready, something good could have happened. I need to put a ward out. What am I cooking? Nothing good.
This is Major Tom to ground control.
The good news for me is this Zoe seems anti-back, which I always love playing against someone who's anti-back because you can kind of just bully them. Kind of, I think. You know, I need to not lose my confidence in my knowledge. My ball knowledge is elite.
Another fried shorty.
I don't want to see anyone talking about how I didn't crash or freeze waves, alright? Because I don't know what the fuck that means. I know what crashing is. I kind of know what they mean. I don't know when they are applicable. I know I want to crash a wave. Uh-oh. Oh shit. I might be cooked here. I'm cooked here for sure. Cut the cameras. Cut the cameras. I know crashing a wave is when it hits the tower, and I'm supposed to do that before we go get an objective, such as the dragon that just spawned in that we're gonna lose because I died. And also our Muumu's on the other side of the map, taking Gromp. And then I know that freezing a wave is, you know, where you try and keep it in one spot. I don't think I've ever done that successfully. I don't really know what this purple stuff does. I'm just gonna keep standing. Probably not that big a deal. I do want to help our own, but I also want CS. Alright, I gotta get in there. Things are getting bad.
An ally has been slain.
Oh god. Oh, the root. Get me out of here, man. Holy shit. We're kind of cooking. We're doing a lot of damage. Come on now. Oh wait, there's still two people here. I think I'm just gonna die to this cane. Oh. Okay, note to self, don't walk through that square he makes. But I've got Zeal now. That's a power spike, right? Not fast. 351 is my movement speed. Let's see if we can get it to 1,000. 1,000 might be pushing it a little bit. 1,000's a little bit. That's ambitious. Okay, we're gonna be ambitious.
An ally has been slain.
I get no AD off of this. What are the AD movement speed items? There are some of them. There are a few. Now, I would love to go Merc Treads in this game. Unfortunately, I am going to have to go Swifties. It is just the way things have to be. If I want to be a fighter jet, alright, of a human being, I need to go Swifties. Okay. Get him, I suppose. Nope. I'm scared. There's something about this lineup they've got going here. Makes me unreasonably frightened. Maybe it's not unreasonable. Very reasonable to be frightened of the Morgana Zoe lineup. It's okay. I scale. You have to trust me. I'm ahead in CS. I just hit level 6. Ooh. Oh, shit. Wait a second.
Shut down.
Wait a second. This is not going too bad, this fight.
An enemy has been slain.
Brand is... Oh,
An ally
shit.
has been slain.
Brand, I need you. I need you. Oh, it's so devastating to back here. I just ain't got that HP.
This is Major Tom to ground control.
See, I've noticed, okay? I've always wondered how people I watched on YouTube, how they fill the silence, you know, because every time I try and record, well, it's actually gotten a lot easier, but previously when I'd try and record, I'd always be, you know, fumbling over my words, trying to figure out what I want to say. Oh my fucking god. But the trick is, they just cut out all the parts where the not interesting stuff is happening. Okay? And there've been a couple of cuts in this video. And here's the secret. I don't have any editing software. I just have a hotkey on my mouse. I have it on one of the mouse buttons. That is literally pause recording, continue recording. And I just hit it when I think it's going to be boring for a minute.
An ally has been slain.
And that's why this is going to be like almost entirely uncut. Is because I'm scared I'm going to miss something important. Alright. You know, the real heroes are live streamers. They just have to fucking waffle on for 8 months. Dodge. Goodbye, Brand. Okay. Wait a second, that was good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Come on now. No! I was actually so close to getting away there. Well, I'm about to get boots, which is good. I'll be moving even faster. There we go. 325.
Has been slain.
We'll find out once the home guard goes away.
Has been slain.
We're trading. I'm 0-4. Do not check the stat line. Do not look at the stat line. Do not think about the stat line. Things are bad. I know they're bad. I just missed like 19 CS there, I'm pretty sure. It's a conservative estimate.
Your turret has been destroyed.
I gotta go. Brand, help me. Oh no. The Brand's only died one time. I'm actually throwing so hard. It's to a point where it's not funny.
This is Major Tom to ground control.
Honestly, I should just cut the cameras.
Turret plate
I should not
will
upload
fall
this, it's too embarrassing. Okay, I'm back. If we win this game, it's getting uploaded no matter what. It will not be due to my power, due to my abilities, but it will be going up on the YouTube channel. If I lose this game, I don't even know what I'll do. I'll have to leave the fucking country.
Another fine sortie.
Ugh, I just spotted Morgana up there, doing dastardly deeds.
Consider yourself spanked, Nugget.
Ooh, dodged. Intentionally.
On it, Black Shoe.
Oh, come on now. That's uncalled for. Okay. Okay, let's see here.
Enemy double kill.
I gotta go Ghostblade, right? Never surrender. Oh, I gotta grab my boots. What am I talking about? Gotta grab my Swifties. That's an objective bounty. There we go. See, we're coming back into this game. You gotta believe. That thing has some range on it. Oh, come on now.
This is Major Tom to ground control.
Oh, come on now. Oh, I want this triple flower. I'm going back for Swifties, you have to believe me. See, we're getting objective bounties left and right. Ghostblade has got to be just the best item to go here. It's happening, okay? You have to trust it's happening. Our Amumu carries, okay?
An enemy
Despite
has been
what's
slain.
happening in the bot lane, we can do this. Uh-oh. Amumu's in danger. We gotta go save him. The Goon Squad's rolling out. I have to leave. No. I have an assist. I have an assist. We're coming back. We should have won that. Honestly, that's probably my fault. Okay, I get back to lane hella fast. Death timers are getting long enough. I might stop the recording. I might pause the recording while I'm dead. Now I've been thinking that
Your team has destroyed a turret.
I might see. I want to like.
This is Major Tom.
Okay, the RPG Maker videos are super fun to make.
Your
Got
turret
scared.
has been destroyed.
Are super fun to make.
An ally has been slain.
There are other series I want that to make that sort of go in tandem with that. Okay. Sort of like I want to learn maybe like try and do some pixel art and such, so that I can make my own assets for the game, which I think would be really cool. I want to try and learn like thumbnails, which is what I'm going to try and do, like a super basic thumbnail for this video. Sort of the purpose of this video existing. Also just because I want to feel less like I'm wasting my day while playing League of Legends. Holy shit.
Rampage.
You don't surrender after I get my double kill bot lane. I gotta go. Whoa.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Maybe I am the GOAT. Do not. Never a doubt in my mind.
Another fried
I
sortie.
knew I was making that out of there. We live those every time. Do not check my pants, for they are filled with piss. See, I gotta just remove Blitz, alright? Because seeing the gold per minute, KDA, all that stuff being deep in the red, it's not helping my mental health.
An enemy has been slain.
Okay, dodged easily. Hello, Ogden.
An enemy is godlike.
Don't know what that is.
Enemy double kill.
Rift Herald has been summoned.
Major Tom to ground control.
I think we gotta go mid. Hold on. Never leave flowers behind. Brand may be cooked. I'm coming, Brand. Uh-oh. Oh, the suppress.
Legendary.
I said it. The Brand was fine. Hold on. The Moon's going in. Fiora. Fiora gets this, kills this Kayn every time. Fiora lives at least. Brand wants it now, but Mordekaiser's is there. Brand's cooked. Morgana's there. She already used her stun though. Brand's gonna die to the Kayn. Hold on. He makes it out just in time. I'm on my way.
An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain.
I get the kill. I farm the wave. I lose it all to the tower. That's Caitlyn's wave. We want the Cloud Drake for sure. I would like to wait for a Mumu though, because I am scared. Zoe is here. I do not want to fight Zoe alone. I'll go in. I feel very cornered back here, but we just get the drag, yep. So let's start making our way out. No, Mumu wants that heat, but he can't handle the heat. He has to get out the kitchen. Malzahar kills Brand. Things are looking down. Actually, I think things are looking real good relative to where things were a little bit ago. I don't want to lose this tower. Unfortunately, there are 4 people here. I gotta go. I'm walking home.
Your turret
I gotta
has been
find out what
destroyed.
item to buy next.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Can't be Dead Man's
An
Blade.
ally has been slain.
Is there such a thing as speed and MR? Yeah, force of nature. Here we go. You don't see ADCs building tank often. There's a reason for that. But I have chosen to ignore it completely. Hey, my gold per minute's coming back. We're back in the grave, according to Blitz. There we go. There we go. What's happening up there? They slay the Kayn. Slaying Kayns. Oh! That was one of the most frightening moments of my career. It could get scarier. They're trying to take Otacon. They maybe are taking Otacon.
Enemy rampage.
Brand face check. Okay, they've given up on Otacon.
An enemy has been slain.
The Kaiser is here. Oh. Oh. There we go. There we go. The comeback's alive. The comeback is real. I gotta go. Holy fuck, am I fast. I'm getting out of here. I'd love to take Thornbound Otacon. I'll TP right to you. Amumu, I believe in your vision. I'll do whatever it takes. There we go. Easy. Look at us. 41 flowers.
Let me give you a hug.
That's real good. I think. No, that is real good. What am I talking about? I've played this game before. I gotta stop acting like I've never played this game before. 41 flowers is great. Ah, Morgana. Mordekaiser. Kane. Zoe. Dog. I do not live those. That's tough. Okay. Movement speed. Let's take a look. We're going back to it. I don't want any activatables. I do have AP ratios. I could look at Cosmic Drive. You know, I should just get Trinity Force. That's the main thing that Corki is known for buying.
Shut down.
Let me take a look. I'm at 14 activations from Phase Rush. Celerity is granting me 17 move speed. Uh-oh. My headset just made a noise. I'm sure that's not an issue though. Right?
An ally has been slain.
That might have just been battery low. We are stacking Drakes, and I don't want to lose this one particularly. I'm scared about the position of the Zoe.
Your team has
I
destroyed
worry.
a turret.
Okay, we're going for it. Ooh, I need you to lock in. They have taken Baron Nash. Oh, God. Mumu, I'm here for you. Oh, the TPN. I'm really worried about that. I think that's Kaiser, yep. Goodbye.
Has been slain.
Go.
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
Okay. Okay. Things are actually looking really good right now. Alright. I'm gonna head back to bot lane and try and take that tier 1 tower. What are our tower situation? 4 to 6. We're on soul point. This game is looking within look, we have a gold lead. We've practically won. We have practically won. I think I just get this tower here. Surely. Zillion miles of horror. Okay. Now part of me wants to get greedy and just go for the next one, but I feel like at that point they will probably have sent somebody. I missed the cannon. Ooh, I don't like this little operation that's not going down mid lane. I'm headed back.
Enemy double kill.
Amumu is dead.
Your inhibitor has been destroyed.
Okay. This is real bad. Kane is here. It's just me and Fiora. This is does it ever drive you crazy just how fast the night changes? Okay, wait a second. Kane just dies here, right? Yep. There we go. Amumu's back. Any second now. Come on, man. Mordekai's just won. Getting fucked up. Yeah. There we go.
Enemy rampage.
There we fucking go. How long does that... Steadfast resets after 7 seconds. Mobilizing. Okay, maybe I should have read Force of Nature. I don't know how much it's going to be doing for me, if I'm being honest. But, you know, we take what we can get. I'm TPing down here. I fucked up my thingamabob. My ability. I've got a decent wave crashing here. I'm really worried. Yep, they sent the Goon Squad. Oh shit, they sent the whole Goon Squad. That was really bad. That was real bad. They might get this drag off that. Okay, hold on. The team's kind of going for it. Brand's there. He's asleep. He's dead. Brand is dead. Amumu, you need to get out of there. It's gone. It's lost. No, Amumu. Wait a second. I've never seen it happen worse than that. Honestly, I didn't think it could be that bad. There we go. No, we never surrender. If my team surrenders this game, I'm gonna start sobbing and crying. Please. Good sir. Dodge. I get out of that every time. 10 times out of 10 I live there.
This is Major Tom to ground control.
An enemy has been slain.
Okay. I don't know what I should have for my final item. I just need to lock in. Wait, they're fighting up here? I can get them. Get on. There we go. Take Baron here. Just think about how easy this game would have been if I had built a normal build. Actually, I genuinely don't even think my build's that bad. For my final item. Let's see here. We'll go here. I'm gonna wait for the serrated Dirk 10 seconds. Okay.
Your inhibitor has respawned.
He might be cooked, but I'm going with him. The two of us stand a better chance than just one of us.
Has destroyed a turret.
I see something off to the left. It's Caitlyn.
Ground control.
We gotta get out of here. I am really fast.
Speed of heat.
I think Fiora gets out there.
Your move.
Come on now. Okay.
Enemy has been slain.
That was not great. That was a hard hit. Oh! We gotta go.
An ally has been slain.
I am moving.
I'm on it, Black Shoe.
The mountain drink is a great shout. Goodbye, Caitlyn.
An ally
Caitlyn.
has been
Oh, I thought
slain.
Caitlyn was gonna live.
Your inhibitor
Okay,
has
let
been
me
destroyed.
grab a little HP. Fiora needs to back right now.
Your inhibitor.
I can't do it alone.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Okay.
Has destroyed a turret.
There we fucking go. I die, but oh, I did so much. Amu was here. Come on, Fiora, you win those every time. You actually are dead here for sure.
Shut down.
Oh my god. This is the most stressed I've ever been playing League of Legends. Like, I almost feel like we're winning. We're ahead in gold. But it does not feel like we are winning. I'm really fast though. My movement build is doing its job. I am really, really fast. Okay, they got the mountain dragon. Who's dead here?
An ally has been slain.
Brand, you better walk your sorry ass back home before you die as well. No, do not surrender here. I hate people who want to surrender. It genuinely, like, dude, we're winning. Well, we're not winning, but we're doing just fine. Tantalize the Morgana. Let her know that we know that she is here. Goodbye,
Ally
Brand.
has been slain.
Oh my god. I know they want this tower. Why did I just try and... the pressure's getting to me.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Oh, that's big. That is big from the Amumu. Unfortunately, the follow-up, it's not there.
Ally has been slain.
I need HP and mana. I need my final item.
Your inhibitor has been destroyed.
Oh, I dodged that barely. Oh, I missed the big one. Come on now.
Enemy killing spree.
God. This is so scary. This is so tense.
An enemy has been slain.
Enemy has been slain, the Kaiser.
Enemy rampage.
They're just dropping like flies, man. Oh no. I gotta get out. Okay. Oh, why do I regen so slowly?
Your turret has been destroyed.
No, they're on the Nexus. Oh no. That was a hard 1 HP. It's over.
An enemy has been
It's
slain.
over.
Your inhibitor is
A resilient effort.
An enemy
Quite
has been
resilient.
slain.
Heartbreak. I came back. The comeback is kind of immaculate, honestly. Did quite well. I felt fast, and that was the point. Hey, thank you all for watching. If you've gotten this far, I'll see you next time, and hopefully the thumbnail doesn't suck. Bye bye.